Hi everyone, this video is Cambridge Primary Mathematics Learners Book 6, the last subtitle of Unit 1, Rounding Decimal Numbers and Exercise 1.2. အားလုံးပဲမင်္ဂလာပါဒီဗီဒီယိုလေးကတော့ Learners Book 6ရဲ့နောက်ဆုံး last subtitle Rounding Decimal Numbers ဖြစ်ပါတယ်ပြီးတော့ exercise 1.2 ဖြစ်ပါတယ် Okay, let's go. Article 1.2, rounding decimal number. So we are going to round a number with 2 decimal places. Our number is 2 decimal places to the nearest whole number. And round a number with 2 decimal places to the nearest 10. This is work example 2. Round these numbers to the nearest 10. There are 3 numbers. So what is our procedure? If we have to round to the nearest 10, so we have to look at the next digit, 100th digit. If the 100th digit is 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4, we will round down by keeping the 10th digit the same. Round down is keeping the digit the same. If the 100th digit is 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, we round up by increasing the value of the 10th digit by 1. Round up this 10th digit there must always be 1 decimal place in the answer, even if it is 0. The answer ma 1 decimal place near 0 now. Okay. Let's go cut a 8.80. So 100th digit is 0. So this is less than 5. So 8.8 is down to 8.8. Part B 6.45. This is 100th digit is 5, so we round up 4 to 5, so 6.5. And 3.95, this is 5, so we round up 9 to 10, so 3 becomes 4. So our answer is 4.0. So at the 10th place, there must be a digit 0. Exercise 1.2. Number 1, round these decimals to the nearest whole number. So we have to look the next digit, 10th digit. So this is 0, we round down 4 to 4. This is 8, so we round up 7 to 8. And this is 5, round up 2 to 3. 4, round down to 7. Number 2. Leo bought a book costing $14.65. And what is the cost of the book to the nearest dollar? Nearest dollar is the same as nearest whole number. So we have to look at our 10th digit. So his number is 14.65. So for nearest whole number, we have to look this digit, 10th digit. This is 6 larger than 5, so we round up 4 to 5. So his number is, nearest dollar is $15. Okay. Number 3, which of these numbers round to 5 when rounded to the nearest whole number? When we round it to the nearest whole number, we have to look at the 10th digit. So this is 3. So round down to 4. This is 0, round down to 4. This is 5, round up to 5. This is 0, round down to 5. 5, round up to 5. 3, round down to 5. 5, round up to 6. 5, round up to 6. So the numbers rounds to 5 are 4.5, 5.05, 4.55, 5.35. Okay. Now check your answers to questions 1 to 3 with your partner. Okay. Number 4, round these numbers to the nearest 10. So we have to look the 100th digit. This is 2, so we round down 4.5. This is 1, round down to 7.8. This is 5, round up to 2.4. This is 7, round up to 9.1. Number 5, which of these numbers rounds to 7.5 when rounded to the nearest 10? So again, we have to look the hundredth digit. This is 5, so round up to 7.4. 7.4. And this is 5, so we round up to 7.1. This is 1, round down to 7.5. 5, round up to 7.6. This is 9, round up to 7.5. This is 6, round up to 7.6. This is 3, round down to 7.5. So the number rounds to 7.5 are 7.51 and 7.49 and 7.53. Right? This is number 6. Correct all the statements that are false. မှန်တဲ့ statement တွေကို correct လုပ်ပေးပါ Part A 3.04 is 3.04 is 3 when rounded to the nearest whole number. So the tenth is 0, so this is right. And the nearest 10. But for the nearest 10, here is 0 and nearest 10, there must be 1 decimal place for 310. And what is said is incorrect. This is incorrect. Okay. For part B, 5.03 is 5 when rounded to the nearest whole number. So our tenth is 0, so 5 is correct. And 5.0 when rounded to the nearest 10. So our hundredth is 0, so this must be 5.0. Okay, both statements are correct for part B. And part C, 6.95 is 7 when rounded to the nearest whole number. So the 10th is 9, so 6 round up to 7. Okay, this is correct. And 6.9 when rounded to the nearest 10. For the nearest 10, the hundredth is 5, so 9 rounds up to 10 and 6 becomes 7. So this number must be 7.0. 6.9 is incorrect. It must be 7.0. Discuss your answers with your partner. Make sure you explain the reasons you have given. Okay, number 7, round these measures to the nearest 10. Nearest 10. So look at the hundreds. 5, so 55.6 liters. This is 2, round down, 12.2 meters. This is 5, round up to 35.5 kilograms. Okay. Number 8, choose the smallest number from this list that rounds to 1. Rounds to 1, and the smaller, we have to choose the smallest number. So let's check. This is round up to nearest whole number. So look at the tens. This is 1, round up to 1. This is 9, round up to 1. This is 9, round up to 2. This is 4, round down to 1. 5, round up to 1. 0, round down to 1. So this does not include. So that's the smallest number from them are 0.5. Okay, which rounds to 1. Okay, number 9, Jasper says 7.97 is 8. Is 8 when rounded to the nearest whole number, and is also 8 when rounded to the nearest 10. So let's see, this number is 7.97. Is Jasper correct or not? Explain your answer. Okay. For nearest whole number, we have to look this digit 9. So we round up to 8. 7 rounds up to 8. Okay, this is right. And for the nearest 10, 7.97, we have to look this digit. This is 7, so 9 rounds up to 10, and 7 becomes 8. So his number must be 8.0. 8.0. If there is If the number is rounded to the nearest 10, there must be a digit in the tens place, even if it is 0, just like this, okay? Think like a mathematician. This is the last part for this subtitle. The sides of a rectangle are measured in centimeters to two decimal places. Two decimal places using a micrometer and instrument for measuring them accurately. အဲ့တော့ rectangle တစ်ခုရဲ့ size တွေကိုတိုင်းလိုက်တဲ့အခါမှာ micrometer က2 decimal place ထိပေးပါတယ် micrometer က accurately တိုင်းတယ်နော် The measurements are rounded to the nearest whole number 2 decimal places ကို nearest whole number ကို round လုပ်လိုက်တော့ they are 5 centimeter and 6 centimeter. What is the smallest possible perimeter of the rectangle? Smallest possible perimeter. And what is the largest possible perimeter of the rectangle? Largest one. Okay. Investigate the smallest and largest perimeter for other rectangles if the measurements have been rounded to the nearest centimeter. အဲ့တော့တခြား rectangle တွေကိုလည်းအငယ်ဆုံးနဲ့အကြီးဆုံးကို investigate လုပ်ကြည့်ပါအောင်တဲ့ perimeter. Okay, here is a tip. Think about the smallest number with 2 decimal places that rounds to 5 centimeter. Then think about the largest number with 2 decimal places that rounds to 5 centimeter. And do the same for 6 centimeter. First, we have to think just like this, and we can find the smallest and largest possible perimeter. Okay. Okay, let's think about 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter is between 4 and 6. The smallest 2 decimal places between 4 and 5, and the largest one is between 5 and 6, just like this. This is 4.50 and 5.49. And for 6, 6 is between 5 and 7. The smallest 2 decimal place is between 5 and 6. The largest 2 decimal place between 6 and 7, just like this. So for the small rectangle, we take the two smallest decimal places, 4.50 and 5.50. They are centimeter. And for the large rectangle, we take the largest two decimal places, 5.49 centimeter and 6.49 centimeter. So perimeter is sum of four sides. So we can find first at the two sides and then multiplies by 2. Smallest possible perimeter is 20.00 centimeter from this rectangle. And the largest possible perimeter is from this rectangle, 23.96 centimeter. Okay. Please try yourself on the rectangle just like this. Let's look what I can do. I can round a number with 2 decimal places to the nearest whole number. Yes, we can. I can round a number with 2 decimal places to the nearest 10. Yes, we can. Okay. Okay, this is end of this subtitle, and let's look in the next video. Check your progress. Thank you so much for your watching and for your attention.